Today is not just another travel day. We are leaving Malaysia behind and heading to a tiny island paradise in Thailand, Koh Lipe, also known as Maldives of Thailand. And the best part, we are getting there by ferry from Langkawi. Honestly, this is a part of trip we have been most excited about. There are two ferry departure points to Koh Lipe, Telaga Harbour and Kua Jetty. We picked Telaga Harbour since it's just around 10 kilometers from the airport, booked a hotel nearby, and it's also a slightly shorter route compared to Kua Jetty, which made things super convenient for us.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Rome by Iranis, and welcome to Langkawi. And today we are taking a ferry from Langkawi to a remote island of Thailand known as Koh Lipe. It's supposedly the Maldives of Thailand. It's a beautiful island, very small, but it's beautiful. So today we are going to talk about the ferry at Telaga Harbour in Langkawi. There are two harbours in Langkawi. One's a Telaga Harbour and one's a Kua Harbour, where there are two ferry services taking you from Langkawi to Koh Lipe. The boat ride is around 1.5 hours to 2 hours depending on the sea conditions. But yeah, we found that the Telaga terminal is much better for international tourists because the check-in process, the immigration process is very easy at Langkawi Telaga Harbour. So yeah, it's a beautiful, that's our boat. We're going to take that. And yeah, and obviously there are some tips to keep in mind. Travel light because you will be crossing. So because of the coral reef around Koh Lipe, the ferry will stop some nautical miles before the actually reaching Koh Lipe, and you will be transferred to a long tail boat, and from the long tail boat you will be dropped off on Pattaya beach where they have the immigration office of Koh Lipe.
Very good morning. Attention for all passengers to fully pay for 10:30.
So once you arrive at Telaga Harbour, the first step is ferry check-in. They will verify your passports and ferry tickets before guiding you towards immigrations. Since Koh Lipe is in Thailand, you will complete Malaysian exit immigration here itself before boarding the ferry. After collecting our ferry boarding tickets, we still had some time before departure, so we grabbed a few snacks from the terminal, found a spot overlooking the harbour, and simply soaked in the beautiful views. It was a perfect way to relax and enjoy our last few minutes in Langkawi before setting off for Koh Lipe. Watching Malaysia slowly disappear while heading towards Thailand across the Andaman Sea feels surreal. The process was honestly quite smooth, but during peak season, the queues can get long, so arriving early definitely helps. Keep cash handy as you will require to pay the Thai National Park fee once you reach Koh Lipe. A quick tip, if you get seasickness easily, definitely carry motion sickness tablets because the sea can get rough depending on the weather. The ferry is comfortable, air conditioned, and the view throughout the journey are absolutely beautiful. So finally guys, the immigration is done, time to board, and we are already sitting in the ferry. The reaction or maybe the expression of us is slightly different because it's a first time journey and which we'll be doing the immigration in Thailand as well. And if you are also somebody who loves island hopping, I think this should be definitely be in your bucket list. Do carry some cash handy in Thai baht because you will require to pay the Thai National Park fee at once you reach Koh Lipe, which is at the Pattaya beach. So yes, I hope the information which we have shared with you guys till now is helpful, and we are super excited. Once we reach Koh Lipe, we'll share the glimpse of Koh Lipe as well. Super excited.
A few moments later.
And here we are in Kolipe. But before reaching the beach, there's one more unique part of the journey. Since the ferry can't get too close to the shore because of the coral reefs, passengers are transferred to traditional long-tail boats for the final stretch to the island. It's a fun experience and feels like a perfect tropical welcome to Kolipe. And there it is, Kolipe, crystal clear turquoise water, long tailboats everywhere. Kolipe feels like a hidden tropical postcard. It's small, peaceful, insanely beautiful, and already giving us the island vibes we came for. Sometimes the best journeys aren't about how far you travel, but how different a place makes you feel the moment you arrive. Now, the final step, we need to complete our immigration for Thailand. And here we go.
So we have finally arrived Kolipe. It's a very different feeling. I have been to Thailand a couple of times, and this is my first time experience coming all the way from ferry from Langkawi to Kolipe. Our journey was excellent. The immigration process was really smooth. We didn't take that much time because we received our passport pretty much earlier. So there was a long queue, but luckily we were the third or fourth people in the queue, so it went really well. Now we are heading to a hotel. We have booked Akira Lipe in Ko Lipe, so I'm gonna make another vlog for that. If you have any questions so far, please put it in the drop comment section. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys. If you did, please do like, share, and comment. I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, you take care. Bye bye. Hi. Hi. You enjoying?
Yes.
Where are you right now?
हम लोग टूर पे, थाईलैंड पे।
Oh.